had the opportunity to interact with some of the students who participated in this program. And I must say that the kind of confidence level that came up in them after the program and what it was before the program, you could see a huge difference in the kind of personality change, I must say, in those individuals. So this program of Aspire Meghalaya was conceived, as I said, at the state level. And once it was conceived, of course, the major population that was being touched were the young tribal boys and girls of our state. So therefore, we found it appropriate to approach Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India, for funding for this particular project. And very happy to tell you that Government of India was very positive. The minister concerned was very, very excited, and we got these necessary funds from it. And I must thank the Ministry of Tribal Affairs for having confidence in this project, and I think they'll be very happy when they see the outcome of what this project has come out to be.